The usage of cryptocurrency has increased in recent years, and so too has regulations surrounding it. Governments around the world have different perspectives on how to regulate this financial technology. What even is legal tender? Is cryptocurrency considered legal tender where you live? In the United States, legal tender refers to all U.S. coins and currency that is issued by the government. However, federal statutes do not require a seller to accept cash as a form of legal tender for payment of goods or services provided. Thus, businesses have their own discretion in whether they will accept cash as legal tender. Being that cryptocurrency was not issued by the government, it is not seen as legal tender in the USA. However, in other countries such as Japan and Australia, cryptocurrency is considered legal tender and treated as property. As governing bodies from around the world continue to explore regulations in the realm of cryptocurrency, the laws surrounding it are ever evolving. If you have questions about cryptocurrency, call Bulldog Law today.